How to choose a washing machine for home. Capacity. How big should your washing machine be? The size of your washing machine is crucial. A household of two might be fine with a smaller, 6.5 kilograms capacity machine. But a larger family will need a bigger one, perhaps around 8 kilograms or more. Consider how often you do laundry. If it's daily, a larger capacity can save you time. Top load versus front load, which is right for you? Top load machines are classic and affordable. They are easy to use and compact. However, they are often less energy efficient and have fewer wash programs. Front load machines, on the other hand, are known for their energy efficiency and higher spin speeds. These can lead to faster drying times and less wrinkling, but they can be more expensive and require careful loading. Wash programs, beyond the basics. While basic programs like normal, delicate, and quick wash are essential, look for additional features. Steam functions can sanitize clothes and remove wrinkles. Pre-wash cycles are great for heavily soiled items, and a delay start can be a lifesaver, allowing you to schedule washes for off-peak hours. Energy efficiency. Save money, save the planet. Energy-efficient washing machines can significantly reduce your utility bills. Look for models with higher Energy Star ratings. Additionally, consider the water consumption. Lower water consumption means lower bills and a smaller environmental impact. Spin speed. The faster, the better. A higher spin speed extracts more water from your clothes, leading to faster drying times and less energy used in the dryer. However, higher spin speeds can be harsh on delicate fabrics. Choose a machine with a range of spin speeds to suit different laundry needs. Brand reputation and warranty. Peace of mind. Investing in a reputable brand can give you peace of mind. A good warranty can protect you from unexpected repairs or replacements. Additional tips for choosing the right washing machine. Before buying, measure the space in your laundry room. Set a budget and compare prices from different retailers. Read online reviews to get insights from other users. Finally, consider the ease of maintenance.